actually lucky. There's a rumor
Huh.
telling that black paint itself isn't available.
Oh, seriously?
Seriously.
Wow.
Now all the Bonnies, nothing we were getting black.
Black.
Except this one, yeah.
Black,
Black
but...
now it'll take another 6 months. If you want a black.
Wow.
Hi, Macha.
It's early Christmas then.
What's up, bro? Christmas came early.
Actual due date was February. I was mentally preparing myself.
Sometimes if they have a bike, they'll just ask me, we have a bike, do you want?
Want it? Take it.
So if I would have pestered you for a booking.
Yeah.
If it was not for the booking, they would have sent us the bike.
Sent us to buy.
Vignesh. Okay, bro. Fine, I'll call you later, bro. I'll get the... By the way, you're free to take the crate home. It's all yours.
Which one?
The whole thing, the whole box is all yours. You want to do anything, you want to keep it like in your garage or anything, it's all yours.
I wish I can take it. No, what will I do with it? If you have a garage, then yeah, maybe.
It's a mini garage.
Oh yeah, one take. 4K60, huh?
These they didn't give it on the 900, huh? Because they cover up. They gave it. No, they didn't put the cover for it.
Oh, looks like special edition.
No, usually. Marker. Permanent. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Back cover.
This is bike cover that comes with it or what? What is this?
Sir, you will be getting that folder. He will be giving you all the
Documents. Oh, okay. I thought it's a bike cover.
That's like a folder.
Okay.
Black beauty.
Oh my god.
Black and gold.
Looks beautiful.
Too long since we saw a jet black. I've never seen a black for a long time.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Wow. Many people prefer red, I think. Red color.
Red, red. Then the matte storm grey also sold well.
Okay.
Now even the matte Baha orange also looks really nice.
Yeah.
You haven't seen the
I saw. It was there in the showroom that day.
Yeah.
It's a little too contrasty for me.
Little too.
Yeah.
It's of course a bright color,
Yeah.
but they really finished it in a.
Yeah.
The problem with black is the maintenance part.
Yeah. We have to maintain it.
They're still giving Metzis, no, on this?
Uh,
They gave
we'll
the...
change it to Road 5 maybe after this goes away.
Yeah. No, these tires are actually pretty good.
Pretty good. But
Like
life is little less.
Life is better than Pirelli.
Huh?
Yeah, it's better than the Pirellis.
Oh,
Even
what
wet
about-
grip is also better.
Better. What about the Road 5?
Road files are excellent.
They are good, right?
Excellent tires.
Thinking after this we'll go for.
Maybe not outright grip like this,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
very versatile.
Yeah, and life is better.
Life is better, yes. This is really your bike?
Man, chrome is there. Hey, no, it's there. In the black chrome is there.
No,
The
this is
back-
not a chrome. This is brushed aluminum.
Brushed aluminum, yeah.
It weighs the same as that. Exactly. 216.
216.
On the
Same
paper,
weight as-
same
Shit.
weight as the 900 because these have a lot of aluminium swing arm, aluminium mudguard, aluminium
alloy
everything.
Alloy wheels.
Alloys are also.
Nice.
So that day I took our Speedwin for a breakfast, right? I
Okay.
was leading,
Uh-huh.
and I had 3-4 street triples.
Oh. Huh.
They were shocked by
The
the
performance.
way the bike rides. They were shocked, and this is actually my favorite. Not yet because they couldn't come. Okay, so that was there, and right now what we will do is you just from that I will be taking some more time. Okay, so yeah, you just coordinate with them. They'll have to. It will be manage.
I'm going to take the bike in the sun once. Have a look in the sun. Brilliant.
You just fill the price confirmation, you do the payment. Okay? Yeah, done. All right. So,
You can already see it's a heavy maintenance bike.
And it's not yet clean, huh? Once it's cleaned and
okay.
polished and ceramic coated,
Yeah.
look even more amazing. Look at that black sunlight and black.
2 minutes.
ಆಯ್ತು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಬರೋಣ